It is Saturday, August 9th. Hard to believe summer is passing by so fast. We were supposed to finish the flooring last week, but it just didn't happen. Today, we've got to take out the plywood, insert the foam insulation, and run the electrical wires. So we're going to do that today. Let's get started. All right, Car Week is in full swing. There's some race going on in Laguna Seca today, and I've got the front of the installation fully installed. The aluminum tubing is now bonded in place, and I've run some 12 volt and 120 volt wire. In addition, we've run the plumbing for the shower, which is I don't have much space for anymore, but we're going to put some insulation underneath the tubing. It's not I'm not designing the van to be a cold water van, but I think some insulation would be in order there. All right, Car Week has begun. A lot of activity here at Monterey Motorsport Park. We did not complete the project today as planned. I got a little burned out towards the end, and the last part of the build is to install the plywood flooring, but we've got to pre-drill some rather large holes to accommodate the plumbing and the electrical. So let's take a look. Again, we've got the electrical running for 12 volt and 24 volt. And we've got the plumbing running for the shower on the other end. And I think next weekend we're going to take a 3-day weekend and finally install the flooring. It should be a little more rigid because we've got cross members running across the main aisle there. And once the flooring is in, we can start on all the other cool stuff like insulating the roof. And I think we'll take a 3-day weekend next week and do the final install of the plywood flooring, and then we can actually move forward with some real van building. So I'm looking forward to that. Also, I think before I end this episode, I'll go over the costs that we've incurred so far on a spreadsheet. Let me put that here before I sign out.